For today, I'm Franz the Chicken Man. Today is the basic recipe. I've done this all over the world, including South Africa. You're going to need some spices. You're going to need a can. You're going to need a good beer. And you're going to need a chicken. So let's start. First you take the can. You add beer, about halfway through the can. So you fill it up about halfway. You can have a sip while you're busy at it. Once that is done, take the can, take the chicken, and you place the chicken over the can. Make sure it fits snugly onto the can. You add some spices. You can of course do this beforehand. I did this just for a demonstration of this video. Any spices will do. It's up to your taste. Spice it well, all over. Once this is done, you're going to need a Weber braai or barbecue, a kettle barbecue. So what you do, you make a fire on the sides, not in the middle. Do not make a fire in the middle, on the sides. You place the chicken on top of this. The fire should be hot. You put the lid back on. And you leave it for 2 hours. Remember, 2 hours. And once it's done, after the 2 hours, you will enjoy the best chicken. You can of course go to www.beerbird.co.za and get more recipes. They even have some goodies you can buy, adding to the experience. And if you want some braai tips or barbecue tips, go to www.weber.co.za. Thank you and enjoy the chicken. Come back again.